This is mechanical excavation using a Cat 320D to Allen sandy soil conditions. Excavation is carried out around a reinforced concrete shaft for the construction of a deep foundation system. According to BS 6031 and BS and 1997-1, excavation near existing structural elements must be carefully controlled to maintain ground stability. In sandy soils, slope control, distance from the shaft, and vibration management are critical to prevent loosening and loss of lateral support. Machine positioning and excavation sequence follow good geotechnical practice to avoid overstressing the reinforced concrete shaft. Proper excavation ensures safe load transfer and prepares the ground for accurate execution of the deep foundation works. Quality foundation work starts with controlled excavation, not speed.